Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake without ice cream. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need cold milk, a frozen banana, and your preferred sweetener. This method is surprisingly simple and yields a wonderfully creamy result, perfect for any time. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can whip up a delightful treat in just a few minutes, making it a fantastic alternative. The secret to a thick, creamy milkshake without ice cream lies in a few key ingredients. Start with about 1 cup of very cold milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative. Next, a large frozen banana is crucial. It provides both natural sweetness and that essential thick texture. Finally, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener, like honey or maple syrup, to taste. Now for the blending. Carefully place all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any banana chunks. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. If your milkshake seems too thick, add a small splash of extra milk, about 1/4 of a cup, and blend again until it reaches your desired consistency. The best part about this milkshake is how easily you can customize it. Feel free to experiment with other frozen fruits, like a 1/2 cup of berries or mango chunks, for different flavors. You can also stir in a tablespoon of cocoa powder for a chocolate version or a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour your delicious, homemade milkshake into a tall glass and enjoy it right away for optimal freshness and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.